And announcer, this is Michael Tyson. We seem to have our tail wheel stuck in the mud here, so we're going to get out here and fix it. We'll be ready for takeoff for this ride in just a minute. Sir, can you hear me? Ah! Can you hear me, sir? I hear something. Okay, all right, well, good. We can help you. I know you've never been in an airplane before, but the first thing is don't panic. Okay, I need more instruction than that. All right, sir, we're going to try to get you down safely on the ground. You see that big piece of concrete out in front of you? I see somebody waving flags at me. Watch out for the truck. Oh, watch out. We're going to try to help you land that aircraft, okay? Okay. Well, I think you're going to have to teach me to fly at first. All right. Well, there's a stick right there in front of you. See that stick? Yeah, there's a big one in the middle of my head. Yeah, I'm holding on to it with a jam grip. Right, that's the joy. That's what we call a joystick. There's not much joy right now, but hopefully we'll get you down. Now, point the nose down. Push that stick forward. Okay, forward. What next? There you go. And now you can also learn to move it to the left or right, depending on how you want to turn. Okay, there's left. Okay, I'll try right. There you go. There you go. And now, you see those pedals down by your feet? Yeah, I see them. I see the pedals. All right, you push on those pedals if you want to turn left or right. Okay, so one looks like a brake pedal, the other one an accelerator, but they're not really working right. I'm going to push the brake pedal a little harder. Well, it's not like a car. Whoa, easy. Watch out. Pull that stick back. Go back. All right, now the pedals don't work like in a car. These help you, these move the rudder, help you turn left or right. There you go. Okay. It's getting real stressful up here. I know, we're going to help you. Now, what we want you to do, if you look on the left side of the fuselage there, you're going to see a lever. Okay, what do I do with that lever? That operates the engine. That makes you go faster and slow down by pulling it forward or backwards. I'm going to be in a real world of hurt without that toilet paper. These pens are not working to full strength right now. Oh, I understand, but you're doing a good job. Just hold, be patient, and don't panic. Oh, it's stressful. This is not the ride I signed up for. Oh, I know, and we're going to try to help you get down on the ground safely. Now, let's kind of find that big piece of concrete out there in front of you. Point the nose at it. Okay, we're getting there. I think we're getting there. Now, kind of pull back on the throttle. Pull it back towards you. There you go. So get down and pull back. Oh, right, that did not work. Yeah, you're going to have to talk me through that one more time. All right, let's try it again now. So you turn that stick to the left. You're doing a good job. Why am I going so fast this direction? Well, the wind's kind of pushing you when you go that way. The wind's going to push you. You're going to go a little quick, but we want to land in the wind to help you slow down. Okay, so I'll turn it around here. Okay, what next? All right, now, point the nose down a little bit. Point the nose down. Push that stick forward. Oh, okay, you say so. All right, there you go. Now, Point that nose at that big piece of gun. There you go. Now, pull back on that stick. Easy, easy, easy. Oh, you just about, watch the wingtips, watch the wingtips. The professionals make it look so easy. Oh boy, where'd the concrete go? All right, it's out there in front of you, it's a long one. All right, evidently this is not working out real well. I think I've got another plan that might work. All here is that, we need some other ideas, like. Right, I got an idea. Now on that ambulance, that's way down, if you look down that runway, you'll see a red ambulance down there. Okay, the one with the blinking lights? Yeah, that's the one. Now, on top of that ambulance is a big magnet, and we're going to try to use that magnet to help pull you down, all right? Okay. So what should I do, just head right at it? Kind of point the nose down that way and head towards that ambulance. Okay, we're coming. All right, you're doing a good job. Hang in there. I think he flipped me the bird. Stop, go. I think that was your IQ. Oh boy, we're going to have more than deprivation of character suit in addition to some reckless endangerment. I know, but we got to keep the light humor here. All right, now fly towards that. No, you got to pull up a little bit. There you go. Now let's see if we can get you that magnet start pulling on you. There you go. Oh boy, I feel it's like a tractor beam. This is like some Star Trek stuff going on right here. Oh, that one's on me. I can feel it pulling the fluid out of my mouth. Let's try again. Right. That was good. What we need to do is try it one more time. I think we can do it on the next try. Let's just give her another go. I got a good feeling about it. Well, it almost worked that time, so let's set it up again. Again, point that nose down. Let's go down to the end of the runway. Let's try it again. Okay. Well, I guess we're going to have to go the other way, maybe into the wind, right? Yes, sir. That helps because it slows you down a little bit. Okay. I got an idea. Are you ready for... I think we should turn this magnet up to 11, just like the rock and roll stars do. Okay. Well, we'll try it. We'll try to increase the power of the magnet, and we'll try to get you down safely, all right? Okay, they're turning around, I'm turning around. There you go, turn that stick to the left. Let's go, head back towards the ambulance down there. Yeah, where I come from, we call that a do-si-do. All right, you're doing a good job. Now let's get down to by the ambulance, and again, we'll get that magnet turned on, and we're going to try to pull you in. Okay. Park up, go. Park up. All right, the ambulance is moving. Now, what you want to do is maneuver that plane just like you did before, kind of on top of it. Nice and easy. Okay, nice and easy. Or like you say, do-si-do. Do-si-do like the old rodeo. Okay, I feel it's coming on harder this time than it was last time. That magnet is working overtime. I think we're going to get it done. Oh, easy. Almost there. Oh, yeah, we got it. Almost there. The magnet's got him, I think. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. We got him on the ground. Well, not on the ground, on top of the ambulance. It worked. Holy shoot, Mike. I think we won again. There is a God. That's all I can say. There is a God. Praise be to Jesus, Michael. Thank you very much. We'll see you next year. All right. Thank you, Eric.